Let's go to record. So from your side, do you see this session being recorded or not?
Doctor, I'm not in this team in physics 531.
Oh, so you are from concentration?
Yes, I looked in my teams and I couldn't find it.
So you're a concentration or master? Sorry.
A master.
You're a master. Then, then you should have this. Okay, that's why yesterday I didn't. Yeah. Okay.
Do you want me to share my screen?
Yes, please. It's weird.
Okay.
You're master, so you have 531, right? Okay.
I think
please share your screen.
No one from us is in this group.
Yeah, could you please share your screen? So
I can't.
Oh, wait a second. Yeah, maybe I should. Wait a second. There's let me know to allow sharing. I think sharing computer. No. Remote control was why. It should allow the disable TCS and shows nice video. So you guys cannot share? Let me. Okay.
No, we can.
Stop sharing.
Doctor.
Yeah.
How can we join this team? Because I'm not in it yet.
That's weird.
We are having another team for physics.
Yeah.
It's not the same team.
Yeah, okay. I'm not sure there's a difficulties. All right, anyway, I will post this this video to Ubuntu. So anyone, if I post, all of you can see it. I will send you the link later. All right.
Okay, Doctor, I have another issue for Ubuntu that I cannot work with Del Monte. I followed the procedure to download it. I downloaded and I tried to open it, and it has opened, but I couldn't work with it. Everything I say, he say that there is no command for that. There is no command for that.
Okay.
I had sent the photo.
You send me the photo. Well, you send it in the Telegram or
on Telegram? I sent it for the whole group.
Okay. No one answered. I think quite a few issues have been resolved by our group. So let's see which one. Could you please show me your desktop to see what's the issue? All right.
Okay, I'll try to share.
Because
I'm disabled to share.
Wait 1 second. Can you guys let me share my screen so you guys can tell me what's wrong? Wait 1 second. Okay, now I get the choice. All of you can share. Yeah, please.
Okay, this is my screen. Yes, you can see it now. Okay.
Yeah, I can. It's showing up. It says.
Okay, so here where I downloaded Del Monte.
Yeah, Diamonte. You already have a Diamonte. Yes.
Yes, but when I try to work with it, command not found.
This means command not found. Wait a second.
Yes.
Diamonte combination in parallel version. Wait a second. All right. You lose something. Let me get control for you. All right.
Okay.
Let me.
I tried to follow many tutorials, but I couldn't.
You did not follow the tutorials. All right. Have you got? Please assign my control. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You have the control now.
Already update. Wait 1 second. Right. Update to do apt upgrade. Right. Yeah. Please type your password and enter. Yeah. There. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Something about that the code I do, it's not in Ubuntu or something like that. Build doesn't work for me.
No. You just missed the one component. Once you have that, you will do it easily. All right. I know what you mean. The error message give you something. All right. Wait a second. Why you have a lot of errors? It's more or less you cannot do the updating.
It always give me that whenever I try to update, I have these 4 errors.
Yeah, please type your errors to the to some. Sudo apt install CMM 40. You already have CMake. So what's the issue? What's the issue for you? Oh, okay. Where's your Diamonte? Can you please go to your Diamonte?
I put it in download.
Yeah, please go. Please try your best to go there. Yeah.
Okay. Let me check. I have it in download and in document event.
Yeah. Oh man, this is quite old. Yeah.
CD.
Have you make the shortcut to the?
I forgot. Okay.
Oh man, that's a long way to go. Yeah, it's a long way to go.
Sorry, CD.
No, let me do that. All right. In this way, you'll never go there. Okay, please.
Okay.
Let me.
In documents, I have a shortcut for documents.
So we do have the documents. Right.
Yes.
So let's.
Ubuntu.
So
there is Ubuntu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. CD DL. Okay. You should just do sh install. No, sorry.
I had installed it and extracted.
You do?
Yes, I did.
You do. All right. So sorry for this.
Maybe if you do it again will work. I don't know.
Okay. So what's the issue now? What's the issue? What's your asking?
I cannot work with it. I tried to run the codes after downloading, and
what's your tutorials? Where are your tutorial files?
Let me see. Yeah, this one and the other one here.
Yeah. Where you download? Where's your download?
I'm checking, Doctor. Here where I download it and extract it by Ubuntu.
Yeah, that's Ubuntu. That's a release. That's a program. It's not a tutorials.
Yes. The tutorial was where is it?
Where's your
it was in the
tutorials?
board. Wait. On the board, on the blackboard.
Okay. Yeah, please download and put in the same directory. All right. Let's.
The tutorial.
Yeah, we can come back. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please, please stop sharing. You can do it later. We can come back. All right, once you finish the downloading and unzip. Yeah, that's something. All right. So sorry for holding. So far, is any other questions from you guys? If I talk too much, then you guys do not get follow, then just a waste. So what's your question? Yeah, Misha, any questions?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, please share me your desktop. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yes, doctor. Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see. Yes.
Yeah, just a question, doctor. In tutorial 1,
Yeah.
yeah, we did the simulation, but when I went to extract the file into Spider, I couldn't done that because the file dry0 underscore repeat wasn't there. So I had dry01 and dry02. I mean these files.
I did not get you. You say the simulation goes well, right?
Yeah, I did the simulation with you. I was following you in the tutorial, and Sunday's tutorial 1.
Yeah.
But the last step, when you copied the line and extracted the tutorial to did the graph or the plot in Spider.
Oh, so your last time they do the plotting, right? That's exactly what I'd like to show you guys. To do the plotting. All right, use you as an example. So where's your files, your simulation? You're finished, right? So where's your simulation? What's your said you finished the calculation? Yeah.
I will stop sharing and I will share the whole screen. Just.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. You should share the desktop. The next time we change to.
Yeah. Can you see the whole screen now?
Yeah, I saw that. Yes.
Yeah.
Cool.
So
yeah.
So here in Del Monte.
Del Monte. Yeah.
We have this file.
Yeah. Tutorials. Yeah.
Tutorial.
Yeah. Exercise.
Tutorial 1.
Yeah.
I use this one.
Okay.
Just,
yeah.
I followed you into. I created 2 directories.
Yeah. It's fine.
But finally, yeah, I used this file.
Okay.
Zero.
Okay. Then you should repeat what is done, right? You just copy the 3 files. Yeah. You copy 3 files.
Which files?
Okay. Wait a second. Let me control. All right. Let me control and show you. I request the control. All right.
Yeah, I've given you the proof.
Okay. Have your grant? Okay. So from my side, I'd like to see your Del Monte. You will go to what? You will go to the tutorials. Let's do something. We just highlight. We go to the tutorial. It's even I do in my side. I do the same. Exactly the same. So you just list exercise. You see exactly the same as what you see in the Windows side. And we go to tutorial 1. Go to tutorial 1. And we want to repeat what they are doing. So you said you use test 1, right? So test 1. Okay. Now test 1 is almost empty. Oh, okay. You copied the 3 files. That's good. We have the 3 files. For example, we have the field file, that's force field. Let's see, everything is okay there. Let's see the config. Right. All right. More or less here we have fluids, MPT example. 512, everything looks good. So you have to listen. We just need to run the program, but let me double check. Always double check everything. So we have this. Yeah. In the lecture, in the class, I told you you need to change the temperature later, right? But let's do not change it. We just repeat what we are doing about the tutorials. Let's just repeat, all right? We do not change anything. So what we do now is we use serial number, serial program. Let's see, we have serial. We just use this one. Use this one. Okay. We do just do the enter. It will run the program. Let's wait and see. But there's no output. Wait a second. So I will put control BF. Okay, let's say control B. So 8 seconds. All right, I think it's finished. I think it's finished. It finished in seconds, in 28 seconds. In our demo, it's just 1 second, so whatever. So let's see what's your CPU. Process CPU information. You do have dual core, so you have four thread. So you can use parallel version to speed up later, right? Just let you know your information. It's good. i7 core is dual core. Okay. Now, in your Windows side, you will see in your Windows side. Let's go to the test. Here we go. Here. Go to test one. That's the one we just generated. We just finished the simulation, right? You guys know from the. Can you please enlarge a little bit? Okay, I try to enlarge a little bit. So let's see. We'd like to see the movie. So how to do that? We should double click. Please double click and select OVITO to open it because it's a little bit difficult.
I haven't downloaded OVITO yet.
Why? What's holding you? Please do it right now. Please do it right now. Do not wait. Yeah. Do not. OVITO. You just. Okay. Please do it now. Okay. You can do it in the background. All right. Let's come back to you later. All right.
Okay.
In Ubuntu. Then you'll see it. Then we can do the coding. All right. Leave this open. Where we can come back to this. Yeah. All right. Please stop sharing so I can. Yep. Sorry for hold others. You guys know how to run the Diamonte already installed the Diamonte. Is there any other questions so far?
Doctor.
Yeah.
I have a question about when I installed the AtomSK and I did everything. I just want to write. I just write vi install .sh. Then I went with the Ubuntu to other place. I cannot I cannot quit from it. In Ubuntu, you did it in the class before, but
Yeah,
I didn't
yeah.
know. You just type something and you quit to and come and goes back to the original Ubuntu.
Okay, let's do it slowly. Could you please share your screen? Yeah, please.
I'm connecting with my mobile now. Could you please join me to the Zoom meeting? I'm waiting you to join me with my laptop to share
Yeah,
the screen.
please use your laptop. It's better. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I am using.
Pardon me.
Okay, but now I am waiting you to let me inside Zoom.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
I allowed you in, and please share. Yeah.
Okay. I will leave now with my mobile to join with my
But it's
my
fine. You can
laptop.
keep both. Yeah, it's fine.
Sorry, doctor.
Yes, Misha. Yeah.
Yeah, should we download OVITO for Linux?
Download what?
OVITO for Linux
OVITO in Windows. All right. OVITO in Windows.
on Windows, huh?
Yeah, on Windows. That may be easier for you. Yes, I saw your desktop.
No, yeah, okay. I
Yeah.
could not goes to the original Ubuntu from this. I don't know what is this.
No, okay. You have AtomSK. You have
Yeah, I just tried VI and install .sh like you did.
Yeah. Okay. So okay, I already request control. Could you please?
Yeah, I just approve it.
You're,
No, you type
okay.
something in
So
the
wait a
keyboard.
second. So this one, once you're unzip, everything finished. It's okay
All
now.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, now I just need to
So you
install.
just need to copy. You just copy AtomSK to the bin, to the binary. This is already there. So you just copy.
I don't need to install it.
You do not need to install it.
There's install
Everything is
.sh.
okay. You do not need to. Yeah, you do not need to. Just copy to the bin. All right. Please let me do the. You can do it by yourself. Right. Right now, copy and please type the bin, the home directory bin. All right. Do you know how to do that?
Just like this.
No. You should have a wave. You have wave. Just a wave means
Yeah, I know.
means
What
the
is it?
home. You know,
This one?
remember, right? See my keyboard. Yeah. The wave.
Yeah,
Okay.
the
Type the wave.
approximately sign. This one.
Yeah, exactly. And the slash.
And slash after the wave.
Yeah, and
no
then
slash after ribbon.
yeah, and no space. You have there's no space. Yeah, and then pin. Yeah, no space. Right now you have one space. That's not good. Yeah.
Wait, let me just delete everything. Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, it's fine. Enter.
And
Enter. That's good. Yeah.
that's it.
And you double check LS bin. LS. Yeah. You can check. Yeah. LS and wave. Yeah. And bin. Yeah. You see it will be there. Yes. It's there. Directly. Yeah. Go ahead. So far, for example, if you're you go to a working directory and do it. Because now you are in the source code, yeah, in the program directory. So you need to leave this directory. Do not do any. You do not want to do anything here.
Okay, doctor. I just write CD. You mean? But
yeah, you just CD to the home and go to.
Whatever I download now, no, not now. I download OVITO before, and I download also VESETA, something like this.
Yeah.
And how can I don't know, use them with Ubuntu?
So you already download OVITO, right?
I download Ubuntu and OVITO, yes, I downloaded.
Okay. another called OVITO. OVITO. Could you please share your whole desktop so we can go to your Windows?
My whole, how can I share my whole desktop?
Yeah, share your whole desktop so we can go
How?
to the Windows side. Yeah.
How can I share my computer? How can I share my whole desktop, Doctor?
Yeah, you should stop sharing and resharing. Redo the sharing. So in the sharing, you use not the program. You share the desktop. Yeah. Just an option. When you do the sharing, there's an option. You
Share.
one paragraph, one program, or just whole desktop. You should share whole desktop.
Like this?
Yes, yes. Okay, good. Yeah, so you can split. One is in Ubuntu, one is in Windows, right? So you know
Yes.
the trick. You know the keyboard. You know the keyboard is Windows key and the left and the right. You know, last time I showed again and again. See my camera. You have the.
Yeah, I know. I do this.
Okay. Okay,
Doctor.
do that.
I grab it and, you know.
Not grab. Yeah.
No, I grab it and do it
Okay.
like this.
That's something. Yeah. So please open your OVITO. Yeah. Now you can have.
It's not. I don't know why it's not working now.
Okay. Now OVITO. Where's your
OVITO, okay. And now I just OVITO.
No, OVITO. OVITO is something that's visualization. Yeah. OVITO. Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Just install. You need to install it right now. Yeah. Just double click and install. Yeah. Please install. Okay, all the others, if you have not installed OVITO, please install OVITO. It's simple, just a few click, you will have.
I agree.
Agree, yeah, agree.
Nothing will.
Yeah, just as a traditional, yeah. Just go lex. It's simple. Yeah.
What about the do not create?
It's okay, that doesn't matter. It's in the default,
So I did not
default.
install it.
Yeah.
And should I move it? Doctor, I have a question.
Yeah.
If I made a new folder,
Yeah.
and my shortcut is for the old folder, how can I adjust the shortcut?
So
for example,
you
my
want to
shortcut
remove
now,
the shortcut. You want to remove the shortcut first.
not remove it, adjust it.
No, there's no way to do it, adjust. You just remove and redo. It's simple, very simple.
This is OVITO, Doctor. Microsoft
Wait a
Visual C++.
second. This visualization, why it goes here? Okay, just wait. It's fine. No matter. All right, it will be fine.
Okay, so if I want to delete the shortcut, I should
which one you want to change?
I only have one.
Okay. Now, so you're okay. Let me see. Wait a second. Wait for me. All right. You just do ls. Right. So you will see ls long. It will give you the hints. Why it takes so long?
I don't know.
Okay. You will see these tutorials and the documents. This shortcut goes to which one? You see the tutorials. You have two, more or less. You have two names. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. So if you want to change, sometimes you also do unlink first, because it's just a link. Okay, unlink first. Then you do relink. And just make a link. That's all. Mhm.
Okay. And link and what document
Unlink, yeah, unlink, whatever you want to change, then you do relink.
and do this.
Yeah. No, right click. Yeah, okay, unlink.
And okay, I don't
Enter.
want to create it. I just was asking.
Yeah.
Okay, so after finishing the download, how can I connect with Ubuntu and OVITO?
Wait 1 second. Okay, your computer is a little bit slow, but let's wait. Okay. Maybe you can hold for a while and think wait for others' question. We can come back very quickly. All right.
No problem. I will stop sharing.
Yeah, you can stop sharing. Yeah. Yeah, other please have question, please comes, then we can solve one by one. Yeah.
Yes, Doctor.
Yeah, Misha, have you installed it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, please share me your desktop. Yeah. Share me the desktop so we can show
Okay.
work on both the Ubuntu and the Windows.
Yeah. Can you see the desktop?
Yes, I saw it. Okay. Cool. Now you have installed OVITO.
Yeah, I did.
You have the OVITO. Now you can use open. You see OVITO you're opened. There's one, so you can open. And let me go request the control. All right, please assign the control. Right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Doctor.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we go to file. You will see. We go to the open. Go to here. All right. So so go to the test. You just do. Yeah. It's better for you. Yeah. You will find it quickly. Yes. Everyone follow. Once you have the OVITO.
This is the file.
Yeah, once you have the OVITO, just go to the history. Yeah.
Okay.
Double click, then OVITO will open it.
Yeah, it opened Photoshop. I don't know why.
No. You should open with. You right click. You use right click. Open with. Yeah.
Open with.
Yeah. Then select OVITO. You should do another way. Anyway.
Okay. So,
More. Yeah. More program. Then you go to programs. No. You go to programs. OVITO. Yeah. Click OVITO exe. Yes. Okay. Anyway. Now you can use double click. You can. Yeah. Just close it. Once you do the loading, it's do the same thing. Yeah. You see, okay, wait a second. You see the very beginning. This one is a lattice. This is a crystal. It's very regular.
okay.
This crystal. Now you can click the run. Let's see. You can click the run here. You see?
Which one? Doctor, you can control it.
Yeah. No. Okay, I can control. Great. So it's playing, right? You see here the play button.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, this movie you will see now is amorphous. You know, it becomes irregular. This is a clear demonstration of the system.
This is amorphous.
is amorphous. From the very beginning, it's a crystal. Now it's amorphous. So next time, you know, if the temperature is too high, you need to reduce the temperature. Right? So if the temperature is low, for example, you're changed from, let me stop, all right? Let me stop. Okay, I will put, lower down this, minimize this. So our test, we just showed in the control file, we set a temperature 1.4. The next you can do, for example, let's do again. So we moved out. We do what? We make a directory. Make it IR. For example, make a directory called temperature, right? Temperature what? 10.4. We use a smaller ones, all right? We use a smaller temperature. So we can go to this one. We do what? We do copy three files of the test one, right? We do test one. We need the three files. What are three files? Config, right? And what? And the field, IELP, right?
And control.
And the control, yeah, control. You have three files. We need three files here. You see, I copied in one comments, right? Just please remember this one. This will help you guys. You don't need to do 3 times. Now we change the control. We change the controls, the temperature, right? For example, we do the temperature 0.4, not that large number. We just say we use a smaller temperature. Do exactly the same. Let's see what's happening. So you can do the same simulation. From last time, it take 28 minutes. I just use this. Right. 28 seconds, we have the results. So it's fine. So we will have results very soon. Then you will go back, use OVITO to see the movie, right? So is a crystal or not? Yeah, could you please do it in Windows? Because it's finished, the calculation is finished. No, it's not this one. This one, you need to change the directory. You see? This one, I've done that. You're already finished. You go to, yeah, you use the lower ones. Yeah, play with it. It's weird. You still have something.
I think we should have lower temperature.
And it doesn't make sense. It should be a small ones. Okay, but anyway, this idea how we do it. Yeah, we lower the temperature. Maybe we need to go even lower. Yeah, so you will find eventually you will find the change, right? So this is the way how you do the simulation. You need to also finish the tutorials 2 and 3. Tutorial 2 is MPT, and the tutorial 3 is RDF. Yeah, we'll see how to do that as I mentioned in the lecture. Yeah.
So the project is to do tutorial 1, 2, and 3, right?
Yeah, you need to finish tutorial 1, 2, 3. Then you can do the project. Yeah.
Okay.
At least you know how to play with it. You need to spend a little bit of time on that, right? Especially you do not familiar with the coding. You use a lot of keyboards. You need to say from here and there, CD, LS, etc. You will find is a few common comments, so you can always use that in your terminal. All right, I think I can. So far, you are good. Go ahead, play with it. You can stop sharing. Then you can have work with others. Yeah. Questions?
Doctor?
And you have your install. Abdullah, your installation finished?
Yes, I repeated what I have done till the point that I have stopped, that I couldn't continue
Okay.
on.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you want
Yeah.
me to
Please.
share?
Yeah. Please.
Okay, here is the code. So I follow up the link in here. The link that you have gave us in the Blackboard. I followed the link and I tried to follow the steps till this point. So I already done the bin.
Okay, it's fine. It's
only
fine.
the last step, complaining you don't need further details.
Yeah, actually, so, unnecessary. Just unnecessary. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, this today, I mean, just this session, you will see once you unzip, you finished your job already. It's already compiled. It's already compiled. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the target that it's not found?
Wait 1 second. No worry. All right. It's already compiled.
Okay.
Diamonde release. Wait 1 second. So you should do this, right? You should do build. Oh, if you have all, I think you should have this file.
I haven't done that, and it's not here.
Yeah, that's easy. So you just do this. It will finish in 3 minutes. We can come back for this. All right. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
Just wait. Yeah. And all the others just.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah. Oh my.
Sometimes easy steps make it really hard. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Doctor,
other questions?
I finished installing OVITO.
Okay, great. Yeah, please show me.
Just okay. This is OVITO.
Yeah.
And OVITO here should be here. This is OVITO.
Yeah, have you installed it?
Yes.
Okay, good. You just,
I didn't open it.
No. Your download. Have your wait, let me get
Yeah. Just from a second that we download it and install.
Yeah, double click to install. Yeah, as a Michelle, just do that. Yeah. Oh, Michelle finished, so he left. All right. So yeah, double click, and then you're okay to install.
I just installed it. I didn't.
You mean you have done this or?
Yes, I did the double click and agree, and.
Okay. Then you're okay. You're fine. You just stop that. Let me see.
But where is? What is the
Wait
folder?
a second. Let me controlled. I say OVITO. I will see you. You're okay. You're fine. You have it. Yeah, you have it. You will see it. You double click on that. Then you open it.
I need to copy it in the bin, Doctor.
No, you don't need to. Yeah, here you just open file. You just open it. You see you open the OVITO, and then you use open the file. So which one you'd like to see? Which history? So you will go to our tutorial. Our tutorial, you'll see.
In the document.
Yeah, please control to go navigate to the documents, to our tutorial, for example. Go to the multi tutorial files. Yeah.
Exercise.
Yeah, the exercise. Have you do
Tutorial one.
tutorial 1? Yeah. And let's do whatever they have, like a dry one, for example. MVT
Try one.
Yeah. Whatever. No. You just double click. You do not need to type. Yeah. No typing.
Okay. Open.
Yeah. No. In the folder.
Oh, which folder? NVT.
Yeah. Anyway, no difference. Just click one. Yeah.
Okay.
And history 00. Yeah. Now,
That's it.
right? You know how to play with
Okay.
it? Just use the triangle. Use this one. Let me show you. You see?
Please. Oh, okay.
You know how to play the movie.
Yes.
That's the
Like
same.
movie.
Yeah, from the very beginning, yes, crystals and later become amorphous.
And when I use tutorials in Ubuntu and change temperature, for example, it is automatically changed.
Yeah. So more or less here, you do the simulation in Ubuntu, but you do visualization in Windows, right?
And it's now connected to the tutorials and Ubuntu. So whatever
No, it's not in Ubuntu anymore. Ubuntu, you just run the programs, you get the data.
Yeah, I mean, for example,
Visualization.
if I change the temperature, the picture here will change.
Yes. You need to change the temperature. You need to change the control file in the Ubuntu. Yeah, and redo the simulation.
Okay. Okay, Doctor, what about CMake and this one? This one.
That's for visualization. The config. We generate in the beginning. We have one file called config, right?
I didn't.
Yeah. Okay. Let me control. I show you.
Yeah, in control.
Okay. So, if I lower down this, let's lower down this. So, you can go to the documents. You can go to your tutorial. Can you please CD to your tutorials?
Tutorials.
Yeah.
This one
Yeah.
here.
Well, okay. So you are in tutorial in the upper one. So wait a second. Let me do that. Once I know it, I do that.
Why the double dot, Doctor?
Yeah.
Why the double dot?
Wait a second. CD tutorials. Right. So you have the DL. Yeah. You have exercise 1.
Exercise 1.
Sorry. CD exercise tutorial 1. So CD
Control.
VT drive, for example, 1. You already clicked. So let's see this. What do? You need to control. You need to change the control, right? You change the temperature, change the steps, whatever to control. Then you run the simulation here from here. What I say is config, the config file. This file, we only have the number, right? How to visualize, how to do the visualization of this control. You can visualize it using the Vesta.
The was
Say you have the Vesta. Let me see if you have the Vesta.
Wasta.
Vesta, right? So you already have the Vesta.
Yes.
You click it, the Vesta is running, right? And you do what? You do the file, you open.
Same as OVITO.
Yeah, same as OVITO, but you navigate to the config file. Then you can visualize config. Because OVITO cannot see the config, right? OVITO cannot read your config. OVITO just for your history.
Here.
Yeah, for example, you just double click.
And he's running the numbers now.
Yeah,
Okay.
you will see the simulation box, and
Yes,
you have the atoms in the middle, right? You have the
yes. Symbol cube.
Yeah, that's you can see it's crystal. Yeah. All right.
Okay, so via control, and I can control it from the.
You can control. You can 3 files. You play around. You go through the tutorials. Tutorial 1 is MET. Tutorial 2 is MPT. Tutorial 3 is
RD.
Yeah,
RDF.
yeah. Kind of familiar with that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Play around and share your knowledge with the teams, with our class. You see, I find some of you still far behind what I know. We should have this couple of weeks ago. You guys already have everything ready, and you can do the simulation as sooner the better, right? So you can
Okay, doctor.
play around, yeah.
What about VI field? What is doing? What it is doing?
What do you say, VI?
Field.
Field. All right. The field is Nina-Jones potential. So you need to VI the field. You need to change the Nina-Jones potential. I'm still worried about this. Because I assume to send you guys the parameters, but I'm afraid your guys' progress. Yeah. I'd like to see how you guys go ahead with the tutorials.
Okay.
Maybe spend time on that. Yeah, it's not. You will see this totally new sense. You need to get familiar. Otherwise, you get lost. At the very beginning, you get lost. Then you'll be very frustrating. You will give up even. Yeah. So I hope all of you follow me and overcome the learning curve. All right, we can get this.
Okay, doctor, I have sent you an email about the homework.
Yeah, I saw your email. Could you please also do it now? Yeah, do it now.
Which I should do? Which?
Yeah, you have the question about the spider, right? You use spider, you open the Python, right?
Yes, here.
Yeah.
This part.
Yeah.
Mainly this part.
Yeah, for each system, write down your comments about the equilibrium process based on the plot of Q versus frames. So write your conclusion. So this is something once you plot out,
no,
then
I don't know what is Q frames and what is frames here. This is the question. It's about heat.
So you have the Q, right? You have the Q.
Okay, Q, I know what's Q mean, but
Yeah.
frame, I don't know what is frame.
Dr. Bing, maybe if I could
Yeah,
add
please.
something here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would use the Python code. You just change the values of LA and LB using the professor notes. But
Yeah.
I have a similar issue. The QA and the QB. When you say the average value for QA and QB, but when I say output of QA QB, it gives me a value. It seems like an average value, but is it giving me the final value at the final frame, or do I need to say output QA over sum of all the frames? Does this make sense?
That's the right answer. Yes. You will see you need to average. You do not just, this value is fluctuation. Then you need a lot of points to sample.
Yeah, for example, like I asked Python, I just edited at the end to tell me what QA value. And it gives me a value that's similar. It seems like an average value, honestly. But I'm not sure if this is the average value it's giving me or it's just the final value. Let's see if I can open it up here.
Should I say, do you want to share, Hassan?
Sure, yes.
Yeah, it's better. Yeah.
What I have done is that I run the Python code multiple times and get the average of the QA and QB for each processor, for each system.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I changed these values. I think we need to change ly because in the code it was 80, but then in the example or the note it was 40. But at the end, I just said print QA and print QB. And if I were to run it, let me speed up.
So it's still running?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you will see.
Almost there.
Maybe this time you set a large number, large loop number. Okay.
Okay.
You have something. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I
the
get
frames.
QA.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I get QA 1300, and then I get QB 2600, almost. So this is QB and this is QA. But I just wrote print QA. Like I'm not sure this command this is basically this value probably at the final. I want to like add them all and divide it by the number of frames.
Yeah. So what? So you guys, you already have the value. For example, you have QA and QB, right? So let's
Yeah,
see.
we put the initial
حسن
values here.
حسن
Yes.
روح variable explorer.
Variable. Okay.
حلو. انزل الين ال QA وال QB. هل هم نفس القيمة؟
هذول
نفس القيمة صح؟
اللي طلعت الاي. نعم.
ايه فانا هذه اخر قيمة لاخر فريم. حلو. I think the doctor wants us to try the code multiple times because when you have each QA and QB for each frame, go to plots. The graphs show you that there is a fluctuation in the start. So when you get the QA and QB to be counted in these area that the code hasn't finished giving the close answer to the equilibrium, I think you will have a wrong QA and QB, and I think it's not the average.
So I think the way we should sum all these values
I don't
and
think.
divide it by the number of them.
I think if you want to, do you know what I did? For the code, it's 800,000 times, I think, right? I tried to do much longer codes till the code has breaked, and getting the code longer doesn't change the QA and QB or the error. It hasn't changed or get more closer to the equilibrium. So when you go to the first, go to the first lines of the code. Do you see the 800,000?
Yeah.
I tried to achieve 8 million. But it breaks, so I went to 2 million, 1 million, and I got maximum that the code can run, and the QA and QP didn't get more closer to the equilibrium. It's just get to a point that the fluctuation got reduced and got close to the equilibrium and just fluctuate around it. Like what you can see from the 20 frames. After 20 frames and so on, the QA and QP has settled to an area of error. This is what I think the doctor wants, to run the code multiple times.
Yeah, I think it should be the right answer. Even for our project, I also need you guys to run multiple times. Not, for example, you change the temperature, run again, change another temperature, run again to see what's this behaviors. Even for the size effect, it's more or less similar. Yeah, you change one size, do 1 point, go to another size, go have another point, then you plot. So you will see what's the change respect to the frame, respect to the temperature, respect to the size, to how there's behaviors.
Okay, so in this case, so I should change, like, play around with the number of steps and frames, and then the energy in the table. But then the values I put there, do I just extract these numbers or average the trials I do? Like, what's the goal of the average number? Is it me running this different types and then I average my observation? Or do I sum all of this and then divide it by the number of frames I test?
I'd like to say for the basically the two approach, we are two ways we are eventually come to the same results if you have very large steps. So they will converge. That's the conclusion you need to see. The more simulation, more steps, you will get converged results. If smaller, you have smaller, for example, if you get very large fluctuations, very large difference. All right. So yeah. So any other questions? Any other questions? For example, you make your guys headache. Yeah, originally I planned to show you guys do the plotting using Python. I think you guys already, you just showed a little bit, so you guys already plot in the spider. It's just super easy to do the plotting. Yeah, use the spider. You need to just yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah, do we use the PyLab as like
yeah, use
PylAb,
PyLab, yeah, to do the plotting. Yeah. Once you do the plotting, you have you do it quickly. You just a few lines, then you do the plotting. It's very easy. Yeah. Same as you just demo. Yeah, just show. We just do that. And you should sorry, copy and paste the figures to the report.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. Any other questions? Otherwise, we'd like to close this session.
Yeah, just please, Dr. Bing, if you could send us the link to download the video for yesterday's class, that would be good.
Yeah, yeah. I think I can put it to the Ubuntu, so no one have the limitations. Okay. So
Okay.
that will be good for you. I will set it to the private. We only our group can see it, right?
Okay.
Right.
And then if we could figure out how to all of us become part of the physics group in Microsoft Teams.
Yeah.
For some reason, there's two groups.
There are two groups. Actually, we do have a Telegram. That's a very large group, about 100 people. So in general, there are too many. I'm afraid to disseminate some information on that. Then let's see. Let's wait and see. Yeah. All right. I will generate another Telegram group. So of you will be more concentrated to one or registered students, not other relevant members. Right.
And then maybe one final suggestion. So we took too much of your time, but maybe at one point down the semester, could you maybe share with us your research in computational materials, just to give us overview of type of projects, so we can start thinking of projects?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Because starting next semester, you guys will do the projects. So I hope all of you got learned a little bit about coding, these computational skills. Then you can go, do the projects. In the meantime, of course, I will do my own research information. I also want you to open eyes for the industry. If you guys can start looking out, approaching industry. So you'd like to do the project with them. It's more like an internship. You do not get much, just get a connection with the company, then we can develop a good project together. We can, both the company and our faculty can mentor that to develop some good projects. you can learn the skills and also have practice in the industry. Yeah. Please keep,
Doctor,
yeah.
hello, Doctor. I waited for the code to run, and it has finished. Is there anything after that?
To that, you just do the analysis. You will judge the temperature is high or low. Then you just readjust your temperature to see how you get the.
No. I just finished downloading Monty.
Oh, dear Monty, you mean you downloaded the program or the tutorials?
No. The program. I just has done it. You know, when you run the code and you told me to wait for it to finish, it has finished now. And
okay, that's important. That's important. I'd like to help. Yeah, please share your screen. Yeah,
okay.
If you have the emoji, you do not have this toy to play, you will be very anxious, I think.
Yeah. Yes, I'm trying to do my best for it to work.
Yeah, if you are a strong man, you have your power muscle, you can do nothing.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
Computer to work. Okay, great. You have this. So, yeah. So, I think we have got this. You have done all down. Yes. So, let's see.
So after that, I just follow the tutorials to
just
work.
follow the tutorials. Let me give you this one. In general, we will please assign my control. Yeah.
Yes, I had that one.
Wait 1 second. Yeah, please ls the bin. You know how the bin, you know the wave, right? The slash. And the bin.
Yes, ls bin, okay.
Let's see, then everything is there, it's copied. Yeah. Later you need to install OVITO, right? Others. And you need to install the AtomSK. You put it there also, everything. Now, you have everything ready. You just do, for example, if you use the serious ones, you just use this and go there to do the tutorial.
What's the difference between them?
One, there's okay, you will see the parallelization. I don't think you have the parallelization ready. No, that's the issue. That's something. So sudo apt install. Right, you need to install OpenMPI bin. Then you will have OpenMPI. Before I do that, let me check if you have OpenMPI. MPI run. No, you do not have. That's why sudo apt install OpenMPI bin. Yeah, please type your password in your side. Yeah.
Wait. This is one of the issues that I found.
Oh my, this is very old issue. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with your coding. Let me see LSB, LSB release.
I looked for anything that can be helpful for me to download MPI, but none of them has worked.
That's kind of weird. Yeah. Otherwise, you have other questions later. Yeah, try to solve it. But no matter. Right now, you have a serious number because your parallel doesn't work. The parallel version doesn't work. You do not have OpenMPI parallel version installed. But so far, you have the serials work on. Hopefully, sometime later we can work out this. So unable to. Yeah. Once you have the arrow, you're trying to Google. Kind of good Google that.
I googled it, but still hasn't found something yet.
Okay,
I will
okay.
look. I will look more on it.
Yeah.
I will look more on it, but I will not take long because for each time that I take long, you move forward, and I cannot follow up. So
Okay. Yeah.
I'll
Okay.
try. I'll try my best. If I couldn't,
Yeah.
I'll send you a message.
Yeah. Try it now. Use the serial code. It's fine. It's the serial version. It's still work. It's still okay. Yeah. Just do it.
Okay.
All right. Just play around. Follow other tutorials. Then you will go to go for the project. You will go tutorial 1, tutorial 2, and the tutorial 3. The first of the 3 tutorials, right?
Yes, in the Blackboard.
No, that yeah, in the Blackboard, and also you can easily do that. You see, if I go DL Monty, right? DL Monty tutorials. You just follow. You already have this. Maybe let's see.
Tutorial 1 and tutorial 2 and tutorial 3.
Yeah. You will see 1, 2, 3. You need to do these 3. All right.
Okay.
To run it, get the familiar input files. There's 3 files. All right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And you have something to play with. Yeah. Start work on that.
Thank you, Doctor. I have another question. Sorry to bother you.
Okay.
Yes, in the same code that we run in the Python. Okay, wait. I get an idea to have an average that could be better than the last QA and QB. Which can be, I don't know how to code it, but I get the idea that which can be possible for
yeah, you will see it. You will see each run you have different results. You will see.
Yes. What I want to do is for each frame, the code can get a ratio from the other frame. So each 2 frames, the code can count an error. So if the error less than a specific percent, let's say 5%, he will start having each QA after this frame to be added in as an average, and till a point that the next QA can break the error. When it can break the error, it starts the code. It starts the error again and counting the average again. So let's say from the frame 25 to 26, the margin of error is small. So he will start counting the QA for 25, for 26, and he will do the same between 26 and 27, and for each time he gets the average.
Yeah. Actually, you can use the so what's that? Let me see. In your code, you're plotting XAEA. All right, XAEA. So let's say you have EA. You have EA. Did I? Okay, EA, and you want to plot only say last 100, right? You only want to, maybe 100 is too much. You only want to plot last 10. You only want to plot last 10. So,
That's another idea.
yeah. So is anything? Maybe you just print. Yeah. So
That's another idea that can be less complicated.
yeah. So you just do okay. What's last 10? You just get whatever print out, and then you do that.
Let me try it. So let's say Q QA from -10, like that,
Yeah.
and we close it.
Close it to see how many. Yeah, whatever. This is something you can do, right?
But why it didn't work?
Maybe your QA have different type. Yeah, that's something.
Maybe.
I did not go to your code, but yeah, you didn't. Yeah, you will find out, all right, by your own. Yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, you just do whatever, you know, I've lost a few points. Yeah. All right.
All right.
All right. Have a good weekend. Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, is other questions?
No, thank you, Doctor.
All right. All right. Yeah. All right. Thanks. Yeah. See you next week. All right.
Sure.
Yeah. All right. See you. Bye bye.